So this car, it's a Peugeot 1.2 3-cylinder. It has a weird problem. Oil check light comes on and off on the dashboard, and the owner doesn't know what's wrong with it. As far as I know, these engines, they have a timing belt, a rubber timing belt inside the engine, so it's kind of a wet system, and the pieces of the belt, they stuck into oil pickup tubes mesh which goes to the oil pump. So those pieces from the belt stuck on the mesh from oil pickup tube don't get all the lubrication, and you have that error, oil check error on your dashboard. So what we're going to do, we're going to change the oil, but also I'm going to take off the carter, and we'll see for that oil pickup tube if it's clogged or not. So as we can see, it's all wet and oily. Can be from between here, can be from above. Anyways, I'm going to take off this carter pan, and let's see what's in there. But first we need to let out our oil. Okay, we took the pan off, and for my surprise, this mesh is actually clean. There are no debris from timing belt in it, which is good. But anyways, this seal was leaking, so we had to take this off. Now let's clean the surface and put the new one on it, and let's put it all back together. Now let's clean the carter pan from this gasket here. Now let's clean this area with brake cleaner. And we start to put the new gasket on it. Not the most beautiful job, but it will do. Let it sit like this for about 5-10 minutes maximum, and we can start put it back onto its place. Okay, let's put this garter pan back to its place. You have those two sticking out bolts there. These are your directions. Like so. You need to tighten this in crisscross way. So one here, the other one there, then you go on the opposite side right here and the opposite side there. So not like in circle way, but crisscross. The torque momentum is from 8 to 10 Newton meters. I'm going to do 12. So now let's put our filter back to its place. We take a little bit oil from here. We put it on the rubber like that. And like that. Now let's put the bottom cover back to its place and lower the car and put some engine oil in it. So for this particular engine we need to use OW20, and for this engine it goes 3.5 liters according to Autodata. Okay, now I've done 3 liters in here. Let's start the engine for about 10-15 seconds. Let's lubricate that oil filter and we'll do the correction. Okay, the oil level is at its minimum. I'm going to add a little bit more. Okay, now it's in the middle of those two lines. I'm going to add a little bit more, and it's going to be not 3.5 liters but 4 liters for this engine. Okay, let's check again. I've added here 4 liters already. And it's correct. It's almost full. I would leave it like this. Yes, so it's not 3.5 but it's 4 liters for this particular engine. So now there is one more thing to do. We need to reset our maintenance clock. You do it inside the car and this car is good to go. So what did we actually do? The car had leak on its on the carter pan below, so the gasket wasn't good anymore, and I was also suspecting the mesh screen from oil pickup tube, that it has been clogged with the pieces of the timing belt from this car. Like I said, this car has timing belt inside the engine. No idea why they've done this. Normally with something like this you just put the chain in it and it's okay, but yeah, I don't know. Peugeot, maybe you'll tell us. So now we need to reset the clock and this car is good to go. So to reset your maintenance interval with Peugeots, you have that triple O button there. It's right there, right there. What you have to do, you turn off your car completely, then you press on that button, you hold it like this, and you just switch on the ignition but not the car. And here you have that clock right there. Just wait till it goes to 0 and your interval is resetted. That's it.